Ngayong umaga, sinumite namin sa Malacanang ang sulat ng aking pagbibitiw mula sa gabinete. Nakasaad sa aking sulat na I have exerted all efforts to put aside our differences, maintain a professional working relationship, and work effectively despite the constraints because the Filipino people deserve no less. Tulad ng naipahayag kahapon, kung ako ay hinaharangang dumalo at makibahagi sa mga cabinet meetings, imposible nang magawa ko ang aking tungkulin bilang Housing Secretary. My highest loyalty is to the Constitution and to you, the Filipino people. A vow that both the President and I took when we assumed our offices. This means I must be free to speak my mind to protect you and your dreams and your future. Ang kapakanan ng ating mga anak ay matitiyak lamang ng isang gobyernong nakikinig na bukas kahit pa sa mga salungat na pananaw. Kaya't lagi nating ipaglalaban ang karapatan ng taong bayan na malayang maipahayag ang kanilang damdamin. Sasanggalan natin sila at ipagtatanggol upang laging manaig ang diwa ng ating batas. Ang tunay na hustisyang walang kinikilala, mayaman man o mahirap, nasa poder man o walang impluensya. Higit sa lahat, buong tapang tayong magmamatsyag at magbabantay nang hindi na maibalik pa ang anumang diktadurya na siyang kumitil sa libo-libong buhay noong Rehimen Marcos. We have fought this battle before and won. We will never let anyone revise our history and twist it to turn evil into good. Hindi nating hahayaang nakawin ang pagka-vice-presidente sapagkat iyon ay taliwas sa boses ng nakararami. The vice presidency is not just about one person. It is about you and your rights. What is at stake here is our collective future. Since we released our statement yesterday, many have asked, what is next? I have sensed despair and anxiety, and always that question, what will happen to us now? This is not the time for fear. It is a time for conviction. It is a time for courage. Along with many of you, I have expressed my strong opposition on issues like the Marcos burial. We still hope that the President will reconsider his position on these issues. We will continue to support policies and actions from this administration if we believe these are right and just and will benefit the least, and the lost. If they don't, we will not hesitate to dissent. Ako po'y naririto para sa inyo. Ako'y mananatili para sa inyo. At patuloy nating bubunuin ang anumang trabaho nang makapag-ambag sa adhikain ng ating gobyerno na solusyonan ang kahirapan at maitaguyod ang pagkakapantay-pantay. As your duly elected Vice President, I will continue to serve with all my strength and passion, confident that in the end, what is right will prevail. Ang mga naganap nitong nakaraang araw ay lalong nagpapatibay sa matagal ko ng paninindigan. Gawin natin ang nararapat kahit gaano kahirap. Maraming salamat po.